Hello guys, how are you? I'm Sabir. This video I'm showing you how to fix this problem. So guys, this is very critical problem. So I am showing you how to solve this. First, click on your volume drive and go to properties and click on security. Click on security and you will show as like this, and then you go to advanced and you click on continue and add principal and type authentic user authentic users and click ok and give permissions and click on ok and apply. It taken times. It's depend on your drive size. Okay, now all is okay. I think your problem already solved. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.